Millions from the market. The covered call dream. Ever dreamt of turning your stock holdings into a cash-generating machine? Imagine a strategy that lets you earn extra income from stocks you already own. That's the magic of covered calls, a powerful tool that can supercharge your investment returns. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, covered calls offer a compelling way to participate in the market while potentially boosting your profits. Intrigued? Let's dive in and explore how this strategy works and how you can harness its potential to achieve your financial goals. Get ready to unlock a world of possibilities in the exciting realm of options trading. Cracking the code. What is a covered call? Don't let the jargon scare you. A covered call is simpler than it sounds. In essence, it's an options trading strategy where you sell someone the right, but not the obligation, to buy your shares at a predetermined price, the strike price, within a specific time frame. Think of it like renting out your stocks for a premium. You get paid up front for selling this right. That's the premium. If the stock price stays below the strike price, you keep the premium and your shares. If the price goes above the strike price, you might have to sell your shares, but you'll still keep the premium. It's a win-win. Covered calls illustrated, a simple breakdown. Let's break it down further with a simple analogy. Imagine you own a vintage car worth $10,000. You decide to sell a covered call option with a strike price of $12,000, expiring in a month. You receive a premium of $500 for selling this option. Now there are two possible scenarios. 1. The car's price stays below $12,000. You keep the $500 premium and your car. 2. The car's price goes above $12,000. You might have to sell your car for $12,000, but you still keep the $500 premium. That's the beauty of covered calls. You get paid regardless of what happens to the underlying asset. Tata Motors in action. A real-world example. Let's bring this strategy to life with a real-world example using Tata Motors, a prominent stock on the NSE, the National Stock Exchange of India. Suppose Tata Motors is trading at 600 rupees per share. You own 100 shares and decide to sell one covered call option with a strike price of 650 rupees, expiring in 1 month. You receive a premium of 10 rupees per share. Scenario 1. Tata Motors stays below 650 rupees. You keep your shares and the 1000 rupee premium. That's 100 shares times 10 rupees. Scenario 2. Tata Motors goes above 650 rupees. You might have to sell your shares at 650 rupees each, but you still keep the 1000 rupee premium. This example illustrates how covered calls can generate income from your existing stock holdings. Section 5. The upside of covered calls. Reaping the rewards. So, why do savvy investors love covered calls? The benefits are really compelling. First up, income generation. You can earn regular income by selling options premiums. Then, there's downside protection. The premium you collect provides a nice cushion against potential stock price drops. Enhanced returns are another big plus. You can boost your overall investment returns by combining capital appreciation with option premiums. And controlled risk. Unlike naked options selling, covered calls limit your risk since you own the underlying shares. Covered calls are a versatile strategy that can be tailored to your risk tolerance and investment goals. Section 6. Charting your course. Technical analysis for covered calls. Before diving into covered calls, it's crucial to analyze the underlying stock's price trends and patterns. Technical analysis tools like TradingView can help you identify potential entry and exit points. Look for stocks in an uptrend or consolidating within a range for optimal covered call opportunities. Pay attention to indicators like moving averages, support and resistance levels, and trend lines to gauge the stock's momentum and potential price movements. This technical insight can help you select the right strike price and expiry date for your covered calls. Section 7. beyond the charts. Fundamental analysis matters. While technical analysis guides your entry and exit, fundamental analysis ensures you're selling covered calls on fundamentally sound companies. Analyze Tata Motors' financials, industry position, and growth prospects. Look for companies with strong earnings, solid balance sheets, and a competitive edge in their respective industries. Combining technical and fundamental analysis empowers you to make informed decisions and select the best candidates for your covered call strategy. Section 8. Your Covered Call Playbook. A step-by-step guide. Ready to implement covered calls? Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose your stock. Select a fundamentally strong stock with a history of price stability or a gentle uptrend. Next, open an options trading account. Ensure your brokerage account is approved for options trading. Then, analyze the option chain. Identify the appropriate strike price and expiry date based on your risk tolerance and profit targets. After that, place your trade. Sell one call option contract for every 100 shares you own. Monitor your position. Track the stock price and option premium regularly. Finally, manage your trade. Adjust your position as needed, rolling over to a later expiry date or closing the position if required. Remember, options trading involves risk. Start small, learn the ropes, and gradually increase your position size as you gain experience. Section 9. Covered Call Champions. Tales of Success. Countless investors have achieved remarkable success using covered calls. Take, for instance, John, a retired teacher who generates consistent income by selling covered calls on blue-chip stocks. Or Sarah, a working professional who supplements her salary and accelerates her savings through covered call premiums. These stories highlight how covered calls can empower individuals from all walks of life to achieve their financial goals. Whether you aim to generate passive income, protect your portfolio, or boost your returns, covered calls offer a compelling path to financial success. Section 10. Ready to ride the covered call wave? Take action now. Covered calls can be your secret weapon in the stock market, offering a powerful combination of income generation, risk management, and enhanced returns. But remember, knowledge is power. Before diving in, educate yourself thoroughly on options trading and consult with a financial advisor to determine if covered calls align with your investment objectives. Start exploring the exciting world of covered calls and unlock the potential to supercharge your investment journey.